Welcome guys, and this video is for you if you are a holder of Saitama Inu coin. And the bomb news is coming. According to the Saitama Inu official Twitter account, they are announcing very big things and in the future, and this is the great project according to my opinion. And I'm not your financial advisor. Please do your own research before investing any single penny. Guys, you see in the graph chart, according to my opinion and according to the CoinGecko market cap, it's in 30 days it's already up the 492% up in the last 30 days. And you see in the time graph, and here you see this coin is launched almost in August 2021 and now in November, and this price is almost up to 492% up. Guys, one thing more important about the Saitama Inu coin, that's the Blazefire game signs a 50 million multi-year esports sponsorship deal with the Saitama LLC, and this is the big news according to the investors. And this coin will be the next gaming token for the next years. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest news and the latest trending topics which gives you the best and the good profit in a few weeks or the months. Guys, I give you a brief introduction about the Saitama coin, and I mentioned here the Saitama time to buy. I already tell you about, you see here 2 weeks ago, and nobody cares that, and now you see its price goes up and up. So guys, thank you for your supporting and my channel. And next guys, about the Saitama official Twitter page, when you see, and their digital wallet is already on a way. And with this digital currency, before the price goes up, the Saitama a smart wallet is revolutionized the cryptocurrency market, and this will be launching on the 13th November, and it's almost about 2 to 3 days. You see here, when you spend $1 on the Saitama Inu coins, you will be borrow a lot of millions of coins with this $1. It's up to you how much money you want to spend. So here Saitama Inu is in a little dip, and you see here the news is coming about their wallets, and already the games always investing here in Saitama Inu coins. So think before it, and or before you invest, please do your own research. I already telling you a lot of time. And the next big thing about the Saitama Inu coins is the Blazefire game that signs the 50 million a year and the esports sponsorship deal with the Saitama. And this is the almost today news about the Saitama official page. And when you see, it's the Make Saitama and the owner of the this and the partnership. Guys, the happy to share with that in the Indian news, it is the Hindi thought, and that we are gaining the more presence in the Indian market and the media. Guys, you see the Bitcoin, Ethereum are the most expensive currencies nowadays, and some of coins are now they are cheaper, and this is the time you can buy this coin and hold for a time to gain the good profit. Guys, Saitama Inu coins is almost a trending in Twitter also. I will tell yes. Guys, if you want to buy this Saitama Inu coins using your Uniswap wallet, I already make a video how you can buy Saitama Inu coins easily using your Uniswap. So go to that video and watch that how you can buy the Saitama Inu coin.